Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of March the 27th to April the 2nd. So with this week, we have a new month over at Walgreens. How exciting is that? If you go to your digital coupons folder, hopefully you received one of these boosters. It is kind of like a lottery who gets them and who doesn't, but possibly one will print out for you in the from the Catalina machine, and those two definitely stack. One of my accounts got it, one didn't, just to let you know that, because you guys are always like, you always get them. This week I didn't get them on all of my accounts. More rules for you guys. Again, the run dates for these boosters is from the 27th to April the 2nd. It is of a one-time use, so even if it's still lingering around in your account, it is a one and done. It does stack with that paper booster that comes out of the Catalina machine. It is okay to use manufacturer coupons with the booster. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or IVC coupons, or it will mess everything up. Okay, so with the new month, as I stated, we're going to have a new big book of savings, so be on the lookout for that. You can also look at them digitally. They say sneak peek in the app. And I believe this weekend we're getting a new P&G as well, so if you buy the weekend newspaper in your area, maybe thumb through a paper and see if they might have the P&G, if it's worth it. And yeah, it's going to be a really great week. The first little item that we're going to talk about is this Glade plug, and it's basically a free item, so it's $2.49, and if you look at the very bottom, see it says $2.49 online coupon, thus it's going to just zero this out to a free item. So if you need one of these, it's just the little plug that you put the oil in, so if you want one for your stockpile or your home, you know, who doesn't like a little free little item? The next item that we're going to talk about is the Irish Spring for $4.99. We're going to have a $1 digital coupon and then earn $5 of Walgreens cash when you purchase two of these. So it's for the Irish Spring or soft soap. So grabbing two, that's $9.98. Subtracting that $1 digital, you're paying $8.98. Getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $3.98 for the two or $1.99 per. If you're doing this deal without a booster and you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, yes, you can spend it to earn it in this scenario. Now we're back to some hand soap at BOGO 50% off, and I think we have $1.99 hand soaps if the prices don't increase. We have a 50-cent digital and then get $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy four of these. So grabbing four of these little hand soaps, that's $5.97. Remember, BOGO 50% off at $1.99. Subtracting that 50-cent digital, you're paying $5.47. Getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.47 for the four or 36 cents per. And if you're doing this deal on its own, like without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. Okay, now we have some Tresemme, and this is where you have to really pay attention because they changed things up on us. 2 for $10, we have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. I believe you can load it this week. And then earn $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. It's not one of those like buy 2, get 5. And then also with Pantene on the same promotion, 3 for $12, we have a 3 off of 3, and it's on the same promotion if you look at the bottom. Earn $5 store reward when you spend $20. And the word spend is in there, so we're going to have to treat this as a spend booster. But this is a little curveball that they just sneaked in, and I've noticed. So if you might have this generous booster, I think this is the smartest way to do the deal. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, 2 of the Tresemmes is 10, 3 of the Pantenes is 12 for a total of $22. We have our booster loaded, which is earn 5 when you spend 20. We have $8 of digital manufacturer coupons coming off. The 5 off of 2 for the Tresemme and the 3 off of 3 for the Pantene. You're paying $14 with your debit card, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the promotion, and then 5 for the booster. So it makes it $4 for the 5 or 80 cents per shampoo. Do not use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance or it will mess things up. Now I had a really nice Fetch Rewards booster, which was spend 30, get back 10, and I think that was to like the middle of April or something like that. Mine has disappeared. Maybe in the comments you can let me know, is your Fetch Rewards rebate for Walgreens gone as well? It was to spend $30 in Unilever, get back 10. Mine vanished. Okay, so the next two deals that we're going to look at is to buy 3 items, get back a $5 store register reward. So this one, no stranger to the mix, $3 for the Crest or Oral-B. So for this one, we're going to grab 3 of them for $9. And if there's an Oral-B coupon, definitely grab one of those as well. So like 2 and 3. We have a 2 off of 3 digital coupon. So you'll pay $6, get back a $5 store register reward, making it $1 for the 3 or 33 cents each. If you're doing this deal on its own, like without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash, spend it to earn it for this specific scenario. Okay, now we're looking at some diapers, 2 for $20, and it's on that same promotion. So you know what I'm thinking, guys? Grab 2 bags of diapers and then grab 1 Crest. So here it is. 2 Pampers is $20, and then one of those Crests is 3 for a total of $23. Subtracting the 3 off of 2 digital coupon for the Pampers, you're paying $20 out of pocket and getting back a $5 store register reward. And if you want to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash, you're not using this in concert with a booster, absolutely go for it. And, some inexpensive diapers using Walgreens Cash. Okay, so that's it for those, store register reward deals. Okay, with Colgate, it's $3.99. Buy 2 of these, get back $4 in Walgreens Cash. Maybe there might be a very generous digital coupon showing up on Sunday morning. Wouldn't that be nice for this one? But what we have right now, grabbing 2 of these, that's $7.98. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $4.98. Getting back $4 in Walgreens Cash, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per tube of toothpaste. And if you're doing this deal on its own and you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash, absolutely go for it. But absolutely be on the lookout too, guys. Possibly on Sunday morning there might be some generous toothpaste coupons. Wouldn't that be really cool? Okay, so we have a BOGO 50% off on Gillette shave gels and creams, and the foam is included. And then earn a $4 reward when you buy 2 of them. It's on the bottom thing. Now, the Gillette Foamy is listed there, so they are $3 and some change. So grabbing 2 of them on a BOGO 50% off, that's $5.68. Pay that, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1.68 for the 2. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash, you're not doing this in concert with a booster, absolutely go for it. And there's also the smaller Gillette shave creams. Will they be tagged? Will they be working? We'll have to figure that out on Sunday morning. Angel Soft toilet paper at $4.29. It's typically $3.99 for a sales price week, but let's keep this between us. And 50-cent digital coupon, and then earn a $3 register reward when you purchase 3. So grabbing 3 of these guys, that is $12.87. Subtracting that 50-cent digital, the new price is $12.37 out of pocket. Get back your $3 register reward, making it $9.37 for the 3 or $3.12 per. If you're doing this deal on its own, like without a booster, yes, you can use a little bit of Walgreens Cash to pay it on the balance, or even if you have a store register reward, if you wish to use one of those, go for it. Cheaper paper as well, the Scott, Kleenex, paper towel, toilet paper, and then the Kleenex is $5. We have the $1.25 IVC coupon, so it'll drop this guy down to $3.75, and hopefully if you photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, you'll get back a little something for that, but it's inexpensive paper in my book. We also have the Bic razor for $5.99. There's going to be a $4 digital coupon, so it'll drop this guy down to $1.99. Double, triple check your IBOTTA rebates. Will there be any, rebates for this? You can hang on to that receipt for up to a week, and if there is a rebate, you can collect it. And the Suavitel products, Ajax or Suavitel, you pick. It's $1.99. We have a 50-cent digital coupon starting on Sunday morning, so either the dish soap or the fabric softener. It drops this guy down to $1.49, which is a really great price point if you love Suavitel. And I know a lot of people just swear by Suavitel, so this is a little deal. It's something they're throwing our way. Okay, so now let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one is the BOGO free on the Special K. A lot of these Kellogg cereal have really jumped in price. So this is for Quaker or Kellogg's, maybe a deal pourvu. And then 2 for $5 for the chips. That's a really good price point because for the last couple of weeks it's been 2 for $6. So a little bit of a price drop I've noticed with this new month. Maybe it's chip day. I don't know. And then the BOGO free for the Blue Diamond Almonds. Always check IBOTTA for a rebate for that one. And this is something new I saw in the ad. 2 for $10.99. It used to be 3 for $10.99 for the Pepsi or Coca-Cola products. And always a really smart staple for your stockpile. If you like to stockpile food, 99 cents for these different canned fishes. And then we have the Lindsay olive on a BOGO free. All excellent pantry items. And then the last thing we're talking about is 2 for $5 for the Jif. Also a really good price point. And the pancake mix, 2 for $4. And other things like honey. That's kind of still expensive. But, you know, maybe use $20 in Walgreens cash and get some food this week. It's never a bad thing to do. Okay, guys, that's it for this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.